friends, I am Pooja P. Nambyar, 10th standard student of IMNS GHSS Smile with you. We are discussing the first chapter for mathematics, arithmetic, sequence. So, what all things we have understood from the last 3 sessions? Let's recall. Firstly, we understood what is a sequence. Arranging objects or numbers, anything, in a certain manner or in a certain order. That certain manner or numbers which is arranged in that certain manner, we can name it as a sequence. Okay. And after that we have understood how to form sequences. We just did so many problems related to that. Then after, yes, we understood the features of a sequence. What is called a term? Yes, the numbers which are involved in a sequence is called as terms, or simply we can say terms together constitutes a sequence. Okay, and usually we use letter T for representing a term there. Okay, any variable you can use, but term T like that. And also a sequence always follows a common manner. And what is the common difference? Means a common difference of a sequence. What does that mean? Yes, the difference of two consecutive terms in a sequence is named as, or it is said to be, a common difference. Okay. And also we have understood position, and from that we have understood term difference by position difference gives us the value of D. That means the value of common difference of that particular sequence. Based on this, we can frame equations, we can frame algebra or algebraic expressions for a sequence. Okay, that denotes a sequence, and based on that, by adding values to the variables of the algebra, we can find out the prescribed thing related to a sequence. Okay, so far we understood all these factors related to this chapter. Today we are going to look some questions related to algebra and a sequence. Okay, hope you all will remember a problem related to triangle formation that we have discussed in the live session just before yesterday's. Okay, means day before yesterday. So I will show you that. Here you can see a pyramid formed using 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And one more pyramid we formed using, that is of 6 beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That I haven't mentioned that. I have mentioned the third one instead of that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once more, if we are constructing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, if we are adding here, this is the 5. You have to guess which will be the fourth one. How much beads we should add for constructing the fourth one? Yes, we have to add. Here, what is the base bead number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 5 more beads should be on the bottom part for constructing the fourth one. Okay, so imagine it is asked. Here fourth one we were easily able to say as we got the first one. Okay, anyway we were able to say the fifth one or the fourth one. Anyone we can say simply. But if you are reaching to certain distance, means if you are asked to find the term of 100th position, then how can we say that a complex process will be there, isn't it? So there we can apply this algebra of the sequence. Based on that, we can derive any term involved in that sequence. Okay, let's look how we can. We have understood it from the last session itself. Here also we are discussing the same. So here, actually what is happening here? 1, then 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that it is moving. Okay, I have already told you, in order to find the total number of beads, we have to use the equation. Yes, last one last term into last term plus 1 by 2. Okay, like that we can find out. So here, if we are finding the fourth term, how can we do? The last term involved in that is 5. 5 into 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 2 gives us 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. So generally we can say nth term is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so like this we can find out the nth term. If we are asked to find the 10th one, then 10 into 11 by 2. If it is the 50th term, 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. Like this, if the position is given, simply we can find out the term of that. Okay, the term having that position in that sequence. Okay, we only need the common difference and the position. Okay, common difference simply we can find out because there will be a sequence given there. So only I need to find out the common difference of that. Okay, like this we can find out. One more question I am showing you. I am taking that. Yes. Okay, here it is asked to frame an algebra for the sequence of numbers which leaves remainder 1 on dividing by 3. Okay, I think now it is clear to you. Means the writings. Okay, so here 3, 6, 9, 12 etc. are the multiples of 3. So the numbers which leaves remainder 1 on dividing by 3 means reminders of 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 1 10, 12 plus 1 13. 1 will be also involved because when the coefficient becomes 0, the remainder on dividing by 1, then the remainder also will be 1. So here we have understood the common difference between them is 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. 13 minus 10, 3. So 3n, we can say it is 3 and the position n. So if we are giving a value 1 to n, so we will get 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So here 3 we have got, but the first term of the sequence is 1. What we have to do with this 3n for acquiring the first term? Yes, we have to just minus 2 from that. So the algebra of this we will get 3n minus 2. Let's check whether it is correct. The second term of this equation is 4. Let's look, by using this algebra we will we get the 4 itself. So 3n minus 2, that is 2n minus 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, 3 into 2, what is it? 3 into 2 we will get 6, 6 minus 2 we will get 4 itself. Okay, so if you are framing an algebra, then a bit of confusion, if like that a confusion occurs, simply we can apply a term, okay, a value there, then let's check whether we will get that answer or not. Like that we can confirm the answer. Okay, so next one, I am just looking, I have collected many for discussing today. Yes, next one, this. Here it is asked, write the algebra of the sequence of numbers which is ending with 1 or 6. So the numbers ending with 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, like that it may move on. Of 6, 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, like that it may move on. So writing all this together we get 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, like that we can write. So how to form an algebra for this? Before that, what is the general characteristics of all these numbers in that sequence? Yes. Whenever we divide all these numbers using 5, the remainder will be 1 there. Okay. And also we we can say that we obtain all these numbers by adding 5 to that. Firstly, we start with any term. Here 1 is that, then adding 5 to it. Like that, we are obtaining the sequence. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, 11 plus 5, 16. Like that, that sequence is moving on. And if we divide any of these terms with 5, the remainder there will be always 1. So we can say the general properties of the terms of this sequence like this. Okay, the same question is there in your textbook also. Okay, so what will be its algebra? 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. The sequence is going like that. What is the common difference here? 6 minus 1 is 5, 11 minus 6 is 5, 16 minus 11 is 5. So the common difference here is 5. So 5n. Okay, if we are writing like that, if we are substituting the value of n as 1, we will get 5 itself. So in order to get the first value, what we have to do? 5n minus 4. So this is the algebra. So okay, substitute the value of n as you prefer. Third one, okay, it is 11. So let's look whether we get it or not. So 5 into 3, 15. 15 minus 4. What is 15 minus 4? 11 itself. So like that, we can form an algebra for any sequence there. Okay, if that is a sequence, then surely we can make an algebra for that. Next one. Okay. So here, in all the questions that we have came across, there was the sequence given and it was asked to write the algebra for that. Here what is given? The third term and the sixth term of a sequence is given here. We have to form a sequence here. Okay, so the third term, that means T3 of this sequence is 34, whereas T6 is 67. We have to frame a sequence. So firstly, we have to find out the common difference there. Common difference. How to find out common difference? Yes. Term difference divided by position difference. So, a consecutive terms, the difference of the consecutive terms, 67 minus 34. 67 minus 34. What is 67 minus 34? It is 33. Next position difference, 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? It is 3 itself. So we get 33 divided by 3, which is equal to 11. Okay, if you want the steps, just look. This is equal to term difference by position difference, that is 67 minus 34 by 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. That is 33 divided by 3, which is equal to 11. Okay. So we have got what? Yes, the common difference of the sequence. Now we have to find out the first term using this common difference. Okay, here the third term is given, that is 34. So what will be the first term? Firstly, you say what will be the difference of position between the first term and third term? Yes, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the third term plus 2 common difference gives us the third term minus 2 common difference gives us the value which is that of the first term, or first term plus 2 common difference gives us the third value, which is 34. So we can write that first term is equal to, or T1 is equal to 34 minus 2D. So 34 minus 2D. We're substituting the value of D as 11. 11 into 2, 22. So 34 minus 22, 12. So the first term here is 12. Next, the second term we can easily write that because we just have to add 12 plus 11, that is 23. Third term already given, 34. Fourth term plus 11, 45. Like that, it moves on. Okay, so if we have the terms of a sequence and if it is asked to frame the sequence using that terms, simply we can form a sequence. Hope you understood how to approach these type of questions. Okay, practice with all these type of questions, whether it be important to exam or not. Don't mind that fact. Always do all these exercise problems. That will nourish our capacity. Okay. Anyway, if it is now not asked in exam, this is a sure point in exam. I am not saying like that. If it is not given in the exam also, if you are practicing this may be useful for us in our further developments. Okay, if the operations given in the exam is much more elaborated, the base forming root will be the question that we just ignore. So don't ignore any problem in mathematics. All will be very essential for our day-to-day activities itself. Okay, mathematics, we can see it in each and every corner of our life. So don't ignore any fact related to mathematics. It is a continuous process. Everything that we are teaching, that we are understanding from our life is very essential for our further developments. Okay, any silly thing, if we may consider a thing as a silly one, still that will be very important one, or that silly thing may play an important role in our life. We can't predict that, what will happen to our life or not. But don't ignore any factor that we are grasping in our day-to-day life. It is said every being is a teacher as well as a student, because every being is studying any one fact in each and every second with or without our knowledge. Okay. So one more question we can discuss today. T3 is given as 43, T6 is given as 76. It is asked to frame and sequence. So D is equal to term difference divided by position difference, that is 76 minus 43 by 6 minus 3, that is 33 by 3, 11 itself. So term 1, 43 minus 2D, which is equal to 21. So 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76. That will be this sequence. Very simple, okay. Only a confusion occurs if our calculation just went wrong. Otherwise, this will be very easy. Okay, because of our just carelessness, answer may change a bit. So, just check it 2 times. Okay, always mathematics is a subject said to be checked it twice. Okay, only calculation mistakes lead us to big troubles. I have experiences my own, that is why I am saying. And so, we have understood so many things related to this chapter today also. We have gone through some questions. Okay, only some questions given in our textbook itself. So, do all the questions in your textbook. We can meet with the topic arithmetic sequence in the next session. Okay, from the first session itself I am saying next session arithmetic sequence, next session arithmetic sequence. Okay, don't think I am saying it just for a fun. Tomorrow is the session for arithmetic sequence itself. We have to study all these basic factors before stepping into arithmetic sequence. Now all these factors are clear. Now we are moving to the main topic, arithmetic sequence. We can meet with that in the next session. Once more reminding you, please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel. Then only I will be able to stream live on YouTube also. So we can meet in the next session, that is tomorrow, whether it be morning or night or evening, at any time. Okay, I will try to come live twice a day if it is possible. Okay, anyway, once a day I will be live, if possible, more than one time. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this well. We can meet in the next session. Till then, it's me, Pooja P. Nambia, signing off. Take care.